Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, check strap length and inspect webbing for damage because safety matters. Open the cam lever fully and feed the strap under the bottom bar and over the serrated teeth. Leave about 6-8 inches of free tail. Make sure the strap lies flat with no twists, this prevents slipping. Once done, pull the tail tight by hand to remove slack and position the load so tension will hold. You're ready to begin ratcheting. Don't waste time on extra setup. You keep control while tensioning. Pull the tail until firm, then press and release the cam lever repeatedly to incrementally increase bite. Short, decisive strokes work best. Make sure the strap stays centered on the cam jaws so pressure distributes evenly. This prevents teeth damage and slippage. As you tighten, align the load so forces act along the strap, not at angles. Once it's snug, test by pushing the load lightly. If it shifts, retension until stable and the cam locks crisply. You finish by fully closing the cam lever so the teeth lock into the strap. Then tuck the excess tail or use a keeper to stop flapping during transit. After a short test drive or movement, check the tension and release the cam slowly to inspect engagement. Make sure teeth bite cleanly. If you notice slippage, stop and red item. If problems persist, clean debris from teeth and webbing and replace worn components. A quick fix: rotate the strap 100.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.